Welcome to our full guide on setting up Posthog. In this video, we will explore what Posthog is and how it can revolutionize your product analytics. Before we dive into the setup, let's go over the prerequisites, your tools and accounts that you'll need for a smooth installation. Choosing between self-hosted and cloud hosting is critical. Let's discuss the advantages of both to help you make an informed decision. Now let's get into our installation step by step. We'll cover how to install Posthog on your server or utilize the cloud service. It's time to integrate Posthog with your application. I'll explain how to set up event tracking and gain valuable insights into user behavior. Configuring your Posthog settings is crucial for optimal performance. Let's go through the options available to you. Now, let's address data privacy and security. It's vital to manage user data responsibly while remaining compliant with regulations. As we move forward, let's dive into the basics of using Posthog. I'll guide you through the dashboard and its key features. For those looking to delve deeper, we'll explore some advanced features like cohort analysis, A/B testing, and feature flags. Finally, let's troubleshoot some common issues you might encounter during your setup and address frequently asked questions.